FallSafe alarm is programmed and ready to use straight out of the box. Plug the base unit into a power socket and connect it to the telephone line. To activate or do a test call, press the button on the wristband. A friendly SureSafe operative will speak to you through the base unit.
Hi Margaret, it's Joanna at SureSafe. Is everything okay?
Tell the operator what is happening and help will be on the way.
Yes, I just wanted to test the alarm.
Okay, that's fine. Just let me know if you need anything.
Wear the wristband in your home and garden and feel safe that help is available at the touch of a button, and even in the event of a fall.